If you want to upgrade your Mailchimp plan, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can move to the right plan quickly and confidently. Whether you're upgrading because your audience is growing, you need more features, or you simply want a plan that fits your business better, the process is straightforward once you know where to click. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Make sure you're signed in to the account that manages your billing and subscription, because only the correct account will be able to change the plan. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where Mailchimp keeps account and billing related settings, so it's the right place to start when you want to upgrade. After opening the profile menu, click on Pricing Plans. This section shows your current subscription details and gives you access to available upgrades. On this page, you'll usually see the different plans Mailchimp offers, along with the features included in each one. Take a moment to review the options carefully so you can choose the plan that best matches your needs. Some users may only need a small upgrade, while others may want a larger plan with more contacts, automation tools, or advanced marketing features. Next, choose the plan you want to upgrade to. As you compare the options, think about your email list size, how often you send campaigns, and what tools you need for your business. Once you've selected the right plan, Mailchimp will take you to the checkout or billing section. This is where the upgrade becomes official, so make sure everything looks correct before you continue. Now you'll need to fill in your card details. Enter your payment information carefully, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and any billing details required. If your payment method is already saved, Mailchimp may let you confirm it instead of entering everything again. Either way, double-check the information to avoid any payment errors or delays. After that, you'll see an agreement or terms checkbox. Tick the agreement box to confirm that you understand the billing terms and that you're ready to proceed. This step is important because it authorizes the upgrade and confirms that you accept the plan conditions. Take a second to review anything shown on the screen before moving forward. Once everything is filled out and the agreement box is checked, click I agree and purchase. This final step submits your upgrade request and processes the payment. After a moment, Mailchimp should confirm that your plan has been upgraded successfully. From there, you can return to your dashboard and start using the features included in your new plan. That's it. You've now upgraded your Mailchimp plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Mailchimp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.